Namaste and welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Today I am making something just perfect for the start of spring. Spring quinoa fruit salad. This is a vibrant fresh fruit salad with quinoa and homemade ginger and lemon dressing. It is the perfect go-to recipe if you are looking for something simple, light and refreshing in this warmer weather. This recipe will serve too. To make a spring quinoa salad, we will need 2 cups of spring salad. This is a mix of several greens. 1 cup of watermelon cut in cube sized. 1 cup of mango cut into bite-sized pieces. Half a cup of cucumber cut into bite-sized pieces. About half the avocado. We also need 1/3 cup of quinoa. This is I already have cooked, and you need to cook the quinoa like you are cooking the rice. For dressing, we need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I like to use rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. First, I am going to make the dressing. For dressing, mix all the ingredients together and mix it really well. Oil, lemon juice, vinegar, sugar, ginger juice, black pepper and salt. Mix it together really well. Salad dressing is ready, so I am going to keep this aside and first assemble the salad. Okay, spring salad. This is beautiful greens, watermelon, and some I will put it on the top. Mangoes, avocado, cucumber, and quinoa. Let's put some more watermelon, mangoes, such a beautiful spring color, and avocado. And now drizzle the salad dressing. Okay, and spring quinoa salad is ready to serve. Quinoa spring salad is looking beautiful and it's ready to serve. Try this easy and elegant colorful salad for your next upcoming party. Enjoy. Thank you. Till we meet again. Check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com.